Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ajwa Slay. If you're new here, thanks for coming. If you're old, thanks for always coming back. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification, hit the like button, and also leave a comment at the end of the video. Okay, so as the title of the video suggested, today's vlog is a maintenance vlog actually. So I'm going to be taking you through my hair appointment, nail appointment, lash appointment. Guys, I did individual lashes for the first time. I've never done individual lashes in my entire life. I always do strip lashes because I'm a makeup artist, and always I do strip lashes on myself and on my clients as well. So without further ado, I'm just going to keep quiet for you guys to enjoy the vlog. I'm not going to be speaking in the vlog. Just enjoy the entire process, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one.
Tell me what the for lunch is. Do your dinner both seem like the same to us. Jacket to your neck. I was trying to leave stress. You look yummy in that dress. I expect nothing less. Chain keys swinging in your mouth. Got a chain stain and some cherry lip gloss. Calculated tears, so we move from state to state. Tripping on your stars, that's up by the lake. Look, turn around and bust it back. One time, give you this to relapse. Two times, waking up the clothes all over your apartment. Pearls on your neck, Sauvignon on the carpet. Road trips to Nice, but we ain't going up to Greece. Baby, I'm the one you call the meaning in the streets. A lot of text messages that I wanna delete, but to get over this day we in, I just copy the lead.
A few moments later. Years later.
Sweet like what I would day inside coconut. Sip after sip, it give me stamina. Wait for you so the same time we come up. Me and you at the same time. I never wanna leave, oh more. So dance with me, oh more. I pull up on your beach, oh more. Time to swim, oh more. Oh baby, make you know the lie. Make it tell your friends, say you are feeling my vibe. No waste time, cause now me you go follow to the day we die. I mean I can't wait to make your face just smile.
Tomorrow.
It's not a lie, yeah. You set my soul on fire. So many girls have passed through. None of the girls flying past you. So many things you've been through, but this life won't be the same. Oh, no, never be the same again. Never be the same again. Never be the same again. No, never be the same. You give me a different vibe. Every time I see you, my body disorder. Even in a different time. Oh, yeah. Hey, I'm deep in love with you. So deep, I'm deep in love with you. Baby, I'm deep in love with you. Yeah, I'm deep in love with you. I'm deep in love with you, baby. I bet to love you, Daya. Are you really the one? No go come Daya for me, yeah. Make you no go down yawa for me, yeah. Yeah, bet to love you, Daya. Are you really the one? No go come Daya for me, yeah.
One eternity later.
Congratulations to us, finally we don't do it. We just see come up for all back. Shall we say, Congratulations, new wife.